We have a customer in injection molding who we deployed the first system in, which was designed to take out the finished part and put it on a conveyor outbound for an operator to basically pack out, get ready for the next sequence. This unlocked their imagination, and they actually expressed interest in having us tackle on this process of actually capturing the scrap material. Now, this is an interesting concept because it's something that by using a robot here, we potentially have a way to allow them to increase the cost of this reused material, because it never touches the ground, it's never contacted by a human, it goes directly into their regrind, their recycling process, and they can treat it as virgin material.
So you never have to scrap that material, you just simply reprocess it.
Correct. And on the low end, it allows them to be able to increase the cost per part to their customer by 50%.
Wow.
50-60%.
It's another great Formic story.
Yeah.